lots of English men died, yes or not? And lots of Indian people died. और ये it is criticized in British Parliament and in Britain. In yes or not? Or it was very much needed that we have to remove, I said that, to give God some new act. It was necessary to provide and then necessary to remove BEIC and bring back whom? British crown. Is it clear? अब जब British crown को लाना होगा तो we have to change the act. Yes or not? If the British crown is going to be the, I said that, power, so there will be a change in the earlier act and the new act has been brought up. I said that what? So therefore, in which circumstances Government of India had come? Due to the great mutiny of, it is clear, 1858. So first one I said that transfer of BEIC, transfer of power of BEIC to British crown. Therefore it has come. Another I said that हमें क्या करना था? Mutiny was given an example that the somewhere ruling is not proper. So therefore again, because of the lots of Englishmen died and the lots of Indian people died, and Government of India Act 1858 was necessary. Is it clear? Another one I said that evils of dual government. Shall I remove? मेरे साथ बोलेंगे डर्बी, सॉरी पाल्मर्स्टन, डर्बी, क्या मैंने बोला? पाल्मर्स्टन, डर्बी, क्या क्या नाम बोला मैंने? पाल्मर्स्टन एंड डर्बी. इन द सेम ईयर जब 1857 हुआ तो 1857 to 58 में आई सेड दैट न्यू पार्लियामेंट came and it is under the Palmerston. Who is the PM? Palmerston. And he said, इसने बोला था this 1857 revolt is due to evils of dual government. Evils of the Palmerston in the Parliament, in the House of Commons. वहाँ पे क्या बोला जाता है? House of Commons of the Britain. उन्होंने क्या बोला था? 1857 revolt was due to, and which is the dual government? Yes, British Board of Control. तो दोनों अलग अलग एक को दिया जाता. तो Board of Control, and I said that what? Court of Director is the cause of, I said that, resulting into not proper management, not proper administration, not proper control. Therefore it has been. So who? I said that Palmerston. लेकिन this और ये 1858 Government of India bill पास होने जा रहा था. क्या होने जा रहा था? It is about to पास. लेकिन इनकी पार्लियामेंट क्या हो गई? पाल्मर्स्टन लिखा हुआ है, पाल्मर्स्टन के नहीं? यस. सो पाल्मर्स्टन, आई सेड दैट ही हैज व्हाट आई सेड दैट गवर्नमेंट क्या हो गई? फॉल. एंड द न्यू गवर्नमेंट कैम एंड दैट इज आई सेड दैट डर्बी. यस आना. किसकी गवर्नमेंट आई? ध्यान रखेंगे, डर्बी गवर्नमेंट में आई सेड दैट आई सेड 1858 गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया एक्ट हैज बीन passed. Government of India Act has been passed. Is it clear?